Trust me, she did that.
It's too much for hunger, yo. But just I find out that Tiffany and my daughter. But can't find Simone and my son. And all of this are because of your husband.
You said that as if you're blaming me as well.
Michelle, from my son born, me not see him. Marcus, I got pay for that.
That is between you and your brother. I'm just happy my daughter is okay.
Well, hear me, Michelle. Distance yourself from him. Because when me done with him, he might as well hang himself.
You might want to review your course of actions, Carlton Wallace. Marcus is still a brother, and you have not one but 2 children to live for.
You think me gonna make him get away with taking me months of my life?
But you still have life. That is a problem, your temper, acting out of emotions. Learn to forgive and forget, no?
It's not so easy, Michelle.
Carlton, you're not like your brother. Your actions are in the defense of your life. He's calculated and ruthless. Don't become him. Carlton, I'm not sure what's going to happen to me now that this is out. Knowing Marcus, I could be dead in a month. But you have your life. Live for your son and your daughter.
Simone!
What is? Family reunion? Marcus' wife. We go like our shit can make party.
You alright? How the baby?
Safe. What she do ya?
Well, she
Give yourself a minute to think up your lie, cause only when you have a lie you start stutter.
You might as well tell her, Carlton. She's going to find out anyway.
Michelle, why you not shut up and make me handle this?
Handle it, Carlton.
Make her go inside now.
No, write it so you do it. Write it so.
No, Simone, please. Let's make her go inside.
Michelle, is it? Yes. How can I help you?
Help me? It look like you already have helped yourself. To other people, man.
I beg your pardon?
Mama ask you this. Him tell us I'm a woman?
And who are you talking about?
You know, say if you did smart in a real life, you wouldn't have to play like you're smart. Mama tell you this, in case him never tell you. Him have a woman. And me are the woman. So whatever little fling when you did have, it done now. Hear that?
How does it make you feel to know that your little rude girl persona don't scare me?
No, good girl. We don't want you scared. We want you brave. We want you stand up. Cause the next time I see you, I'm gonna broke your ass.
Well, I always say, don't put off what you can do today for tomorrow.
Okay.
Simone.
Don't touch me. I'ma tell you something. Don't try to get in touch with me, yeah? We're done. Done! And you're not gonna ever get to see CJ. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna change his name from CJ to DJ.
DJ?
Yeah, Damian Jr. Are you? Little bitch.
Hey, what?
Listen.
Carlton,
Damn it!
where you said she dressed so well ago? She have guts.